Keep your partner close and ask for kindness in return. Through golden days and restless nights, that's how true hearts learn. If shadows fall, don't let them bloom where every eye can see. Speak softly in a private room and keep your dignity. Your husband is more than a friend, he's the partner by your side. Marriage is a shared commitment, not a battle filled with pride. A wife is more than just a title, she's strength through every mile. Like two wheels on a bicycle, together you travel in style. If one loses balance, both will feel the strain. But standing side by side, you'll weather every rain. Love is like a river, and timing shapes the stream. The choices made today become tomorrow's dream. Build your home with patience, respect and faithful hearts. For lasting joy is often found where family first starts. If motherhood is in your heart, don't fear your younger days. Youth can bring the energy for life's demanding ways. You'll run beside your little ones, you'll laugh and you will play, creating precious memories that never fade away. When your children reach adulthood, you'll still be strong and free to chase new dreams, build your career, or travel by the sea. Many mothers find that starting young can open doors ahead, with time for fresh ambitions once their children have been led. Time is one treasure no one can ever buy. The years keep moving forward like clouds across the sky. Some opportunities arrive, but once then quietly disappear. So think with wisdom, love and hope before another year. Talk together with your partner, build your future hand in hand. Not every perfect moment follows every perfect plan. Sometimes the greatest blessing comes from choosing not to wait, because tomorrow isn't promised and time won't hesitate. People often say build your career before family starts, yet life keeps writing different plans upon our waiting hearts. There may never be a perfect time that's free from every test. Sometimes beginning sooner becomes the choice that's best. Save your money wisely, let discipline be your guide. Strong families grow together when both stand side by side. Respect, trust and planning make tomorrow bright and clear, building hope for better gem year after year. Dreams don't disappear because a baby's in your arms. Many women build successful lives with wisdom and with charm. Education can continue, careers can rise again. Motherhood and purpose often walk the road as friends. Success is more than trophies, promotions, wealth or fame. It's children who remember love long after they know your name. It's laughter around the dinner table, stories shared each night, and knowing you were present to guide them toward the light. Love is like a river, and timing shapes the stream. The choices made today become tomorrow's dream. If family is your calling, don't always choose delay. The strength of youth can help you build a brighter, steadier way. A loving home is life's true wealth. No fortune shines as bright, built with faith, respect and courage through every day and night. So sing your own tomorrow with hope in every line. for love, family, and wise decisions can stand the test of time.